Hello everybody, it's another day of opportunity, and today the opportunity is we're going to learn how to use Google Maps to create something interesting for our projects. Let's start here. We'll go to Google Maps, and then we're going to click up here in the menu part of Google Maps, and then we're going to go to Your Places, Tus Sitios. If you haven't created anything yet, this is where you would do that. Go to Your Places. Okay, then there's choices labeled, saved, visited, and maps. Let's go to maps. And then I've created a whole bunch of maps, but we're going to create some new ones for this class. So we're going to go down here to create map. Well, let's start out by giving this map a name. And we're going to call it My Favorite Places. And a description is some of my favorite places in Spain and Mexico. I'm going to save it. Now we could just grab, if we're going to mark some of my favorite places, we could go here to the marker and click on this add marker. Then you can see we've got this thing that we can put someplace, and we could do actually, let's say I like Lisbon. I could click on that, and then point 2 is Lisbon, and I can save that. Now let's say I don't like the color of this marker. I could change the color of the marker. I could make it green. Okay. And I could add, this was a bicycle place I liked. Okay, liked to bicycle. Okay. Now I could add an image or a video, and we can go to upload, web camera, image URL. Let's go to Google image search, and let's go to Lisbon bicycling. And there's lots of nice photographs here. We'll select this one. Now we've got that in our project. Okay. Okay, so now we have one place on our site. Let's go to another place where we liked bicycling. Okay, here we are in Mallorca. Let's say we want to add a marker for right here in Puerto de Payensa. And let's see if we can find a picture somewhere. This time we're going to go upload, and we're going to select a file from your computer, and I'm going to look in my computer for Mallorca pictures. And there's some nice ones. And let's just take this first one. And we're going to save that one. And now we're done with that particular spot. Now if we step back from our map, this is what we've got. But we can add a layer to the map with some things from Mexico. And we just clicked add a layer. And we've got this untitled layer, and we're going to call this Mexico favorite places. We're going to save that, and for that layer we're going to add Palenque. We're going to add Palenque to the map, and we're going to add an image, and somewhere on my computer I've got some pictures, and let's just take this first one. And now we have Palenque on our map. If we pull back, you can now see we've got these 3 places, and this one is in our layer that's just for Mexico. Let's add one more spot to Mexico. Okay, I'm going to remove for a moment this layer, which is Spain and Lisbon. When I click on this, you'll see the 2 points for Spain and Lisbon have gone away. Now I'm going to add another place for Mexico, favorite places. And this is going to be Guadalajara, Mexico. And we're going to add that to the map. And we'll add an image. And gosh, there's so many from Guadalajara. What are we going to pick? Pick the first one that comes up. This is La Minerva. This is a famous statue in Guadalajara. We're going to save that. And we're going to add a little, this is the famous Minerva statue. Okay. All right. Now we'll just close this for a minute. We're going to step back from Mexico. We're going to go out. We got 2 places in Mexico now, and we're going to add back the layer for Spain and Lisbon. And you can see you could add several different layers of places and all kinds of information. You can also add videos to each of the points on your map. And when you have this kind of option, you can create something a lot more interesting than just saying, here are all the places I visited, but you could mark all the places you visited on a map, put your photos that go with those places, put videos, include links to your blog posts. So let's add a blog post to Guadalajara. And this is Digital Journalism Center takes hold in Guadalajara. We're going to grab this link, copy the link, and add this blog post to Guadalajara so that anybody could visit my blog post. Lots of options, and I hope you find this interesting and useful, because it's another day of opportunity.